Good evening, students. Welcome once again to my channel. My name, Harishankar Washak, in short HSB. Students, as I have already told you about the models, I have already uploaded my first big video. I have taught 3 or 4 models and their usages. And this is model verb part 2. Okay, model part 2. Here we will learn more some models and their usages like may and might. Okay, students, may and might used to show possibility. Possibility means not confirmed, not sure. Okay, like it may rain today. Okay, it's a possibility. Rain हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है. It's not confirmed, it's not sure that today rain must be. It is not sure. That's why may is used for showing possibility. Okay, same might also can be used, like they might not attend the party. Okay, they might not attend the party. It's a possibility, it's not confirmed. That's why in these sentences or in these cases we can use may or might to show possibility. Okay, maybe for any reason, maybe for some urgent work or reason, or for any obstacles, they could not able to attend the meeting. So you can guess, you can say the possibility that maybe they did not attend the party or they might not attend the party. Can is very easy, students. It is used to show ability. Okay, someone has ability or not. To show this we can use can, like he can, he or she. Okay, he or she can dance well. He or she can dance well. So dance well, that no, well, this is ability. This is the ability of her and his, that they can dance well. Okay, I cannot draw. Here it is used for negative sentence, negative sense. I have no ability to draw something. This is also ability. Okay, they have ability to dance but I have no ability to draw. So for showing ability we can use this can modal verb. Next, will. Students, before showing this example of will, I must say you that will is also used for future action or future tense. Suppose they will go to Malda or they will go to Kolkata. Tomorrow they will come next day. To show future action or future tense or future action, we can use will. Otherwise, to show determination. Determination means confirmation. Okay, or something you have taken decision strongly, that is called determination. Like I will do hard for the final exam. Okay, I will do hard for the final exams. This is determination that I must do hard work. Okay, otherwise he will practice to win the drama every day. Okay, that is also determination. So for showing determination we can use will. Otherwise, for showing future action, any action which is going to be happen in future, for showing this kind of tense we can use will. Okay, students, so thank you. If you like that I can teach you in my unique way, or my teaching must put into your mind some learning things, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you.